This is Jack and Marcy, Gelt Financial. You can see our, we try to take use of all the advertising, free advertising we can get. We wanted to speak to mortgage brokers and borrowers today. We're making this, it's February 4th. And, you know, the world, the country is in a lot of turmoil. You know, I keep saying in the middle of COVID, I said that.
It's basically a year already. I mean,
it's unbelievable.
Yeah, and a lot in the world has changed. The way everything is done is different.
Yeah, you're right. We're coming up on a year.
It's a year.
And they told us it was shut down for 14 days and we're going to be fine.
Yeah.
So anyway, yeah, a lot's going on in the world. I think the country's still paralyzed from the election or traumatized. And, you know, we wanted to make this video really to boost people up. You know, we've been lending consistently, really. We also, Marcy, I wanted to make another video. We just had our 32nd year anniversary, February 1st. But we've been lending consistently for 32 years. But more importantly, throughout the COVID, we've just constantly been doing loans. You know, we recognize that it's tougher to do loans. Things have changed. And we wanted to give you our take on it. And to the borrowers out there, we wanted to tell you that, you know, if your bank is putting you under distress, if you have tenants who aren't paying, you can't refinance, if you're behind on your mortgage, we're there for you. And we're going to go into a little details on that. And to the mortgage brokers, we want to tell you that we're out there doing. So really the purpose of this is to lay out what we're good at and what we can do. Is that how did I do that?
And just to like reach out and, you know, just let everyone know that everyone's going through the same thing. You know, even all the brokers that we talk to, I mean, the business is like, it has a lot of curves right now. We definitely are seeing a lot of deals that I think really can't even get funded in the market right now because of different reasons. And we just kind of wanted just to have like a conversation about, you know, things that we do good jobs at and do well for the brokers. You know, we wanted to talk about like that we can get a loan done for you really quick.
Yeah, when you call us, whether you're speaking to anyone here, you're always going to be speaking to a decision maker. You know, there's more here than Marcy and I, but there's a lot of people here. But for whatever reason, we're the face of the company. But you're always going to be speaking to a decision maker. And I think this is important. A lot of the deals we do are rushes and turndowns from other lenders.
Right. We've been seeing a lot of that lately, especially through, I mean, I have to say COVID, but that's really what we've been seeing a lot. A deal gets to the table at another lender and they don't fund it.
A lot of them, there's always people in the marketplace who present themselves as lenders, but it seems
Really
there's
not.
more. They're not. So a lot of those, but so I'm going to start from the very beginning. When we see a deal, you're always going to speak to a decision maker on the phone, whether it's you, Noah, myself,
Right.
you know, whatever. And we can make a decision. We can quote out the terms right on the phone with you, with the borrower, and send you a term sheet, usually within a half hour or an hour. Of course, if you catch us at like 5:15, it may be the next day, but very quickly, we're going to issue you a term sheet. We all of us have the ability to engage the company in what we do. So you're going to know, and the borrower is going to know right up front if we can do it and we can't do it. Sometimes people say, oh, you said no too quickly. Well, you know, we try to give answers as quick as possible, whether it be yes or no, so everyone understands where we're at.
And that's also a good point. Like I have a lot of brokers that, you know, I say no to a considerable amount of deals. I mean, I'm being honest with you. I mean, but there's reasons for it. And due to the fact that we are straight collateral lenders, we base our whole decision on the collateral. So there are some things that come into play. It could be the area, it could be too rural.
100%.
But what I'm saying to the brokers is do not give up on us because there's going to be a deal that's a match for us.
Part of the game, the reality is, and you know, we say no more than we say yes, but we close loans. And if we said yes to everyone, we wouldn't be in business 32 years. We'd be out of business. So the first thing is you're always going to speak to a decision maker. We can quote the deal out right on the phone. Everyone knows everything. We disclose everything. Everything's right on our term sheet. So that's number one. So I'll call it on the spot approvals. The other is when you deal with us, we're doing the processing. We're speaking to the borrower, the title company, all of that stuff.
And that's where I come into play, throughout the deal. You deal with myself, but then I take the loan to closing. And I'm very good at what I do.
Just for the record, I just noticed you did your hair different today.
Yeah, I know. I pulled it up.
For the video or just
No, just
general
super
life?
different,
Just
yeah.
coincidentally.
Yeah, that's another thing.
But
Through this
do I get any
pandemic,
credit? I'm a man and I
you
noticed something.
notice. I haven't really cut my hair through this pandemic, so it got so long. I will eventually.
I don't want to
get
talk
it
about cutting my hair, but
cut. Because I just decided I didn't need to get my hair cut because less exposure to someone. Anyway, but I will take your loan to closing, and once we get it through, I get your paperwork, title order, insurance updated.
and for the mortgage brokers, we do the work, but you're copied and you're involved in anything. So you're included in everything. So on the spot approvals, quick approvals, very quick closing. If we see a deal, we can close it as quick as they have the title. We've closed deals in days, not weeks. A lot of times, the reality is most of the deals that we're closing, we get a call from a broker or from a borrower. I need to close. It's time sensitive. Boom, boom, boom.
We usually get those closed within less than 10 working days.
That's right.
Which is crazy.
We also, I think there's a lot of deals that can't be done today because the tenants are not paying, and the lenders won't do it, or the tenants won't let an appraiser inside to do pictures inside.
And we've done quite a few deals with no appraisals.
I'm guessing in the last 9 months, since COVID, what do you think the percent without appraisals? I have a number.
75%.
That's the number I was going to use. I swear to God, we didn't talk about this before.
75% of our deals we've been doing with no appraisals. I mean, yes, we organize the deal to make sense to us to not do appraisals, but it works for the borrower, so it works.
Just to be clear, when we say not appraisals, what we do an internal evaluation without a formal appraisal. We believe on most properties, we just closed a hotel deal in a week. I think it was like 10 days, no appraisal. We've done.
I mean, do the fact check because we're able to figure out the value.
That's exactly
we can figure out the value from the NOI.
That's exactly
and the area. It's the truth. It is what
big
it is. Numbers speak.
Big time savings to borrowers.
Yeah.
And big money savings. Appraisals.
Because appraisals have gotten so expensive.
So no appraisals, quick closing. Other lenders turn downs. I personally think there's a tremendous pent up explosion of bad stuff going to be happening because of COVID. And if you haven't been paying your banker, there's a backlog on payments. It's going to catch up to borrowers sooner or later. And so, mortgage brokers can make a lot of money with us. They do fantastic. They really do. We're great to deal with, and they love us. Our reviews are fantastic. We get repeat business. But they have to be in tune. So really, that's the purpose of it. Look, we're not everything for everyone. We don't do, I think it's fair that we spend just a minute or two and say what we're not good at or we don't do. We don't do long-term deals. We're doing a year or a short period up to 5 years. We'll do small balance loans. We have a deal closing for 50,000.
I mean, this particular person has a property. He could not get a loan in a bank, and we're doing the deal.
Yep.
And no appraisal, and we're just doing a deal for 50,000. And you know what? It's helping him out. It's giving him what he needs. So it's worth it.
We don't do long-term deals. So if a guy's looking for a 30-year fixed rate, that's not us. We're short-term lenders, year to 5 years. Some people say bridge, some people say hard money, but short-term, 1 to 5 years. Our average rate is 10.5%.
I mean, we'll go up. If your borrower has a very low credit score, he's going to get a little bit of higher rates. So, we price our deals on an overall basis of the property, deal, and borrower.
It's a good point. It's a fair point. So when we price our deal, we take into consideration risk, reward, and work. The reality is on a $50,000 deal, coincidentally, we have next week, and it's the two extremes, but this is the truth. A $50,000 deal closing, and how much is that deal?
$3,500,000.
A $3.5 million. The 50, and believe it or not, it's almost the same work. Same work. So they're priced differently because that's just the way it goes. What else did we leave? I think we covered a lot.
Yeah, we just wanted to say hi to everyone today.
Look, we're here from you. I want to give a personal message. Okay, I started the company in 1989. I had not a penny, and I worked from a tray table in a bedroom. And I've been through all kinds of ups and down markets. I've been dragged outside. I've been beaten up. My eyes have been bloody, broken ribs, humiliated, everything bad, every economic bad downturn has happened to me. And you survive because you pivot, you adjust, you help others, you lean out and help
And
others. And really, that's what we're doing.
And we're transparent.
And you know what I
You know,
love?
we tell exactly what you're getting is all on our term sheet. It's transparent, and that's important.
Can I tell, I love to come to work, and I love not even coming to work. I speak to everyone 7 days a week, literally every day, and Sundays, every day of the week we speak to people, and I love it. But you know what I like most? That we are helping our borrowers. People don't realize it. People say, "Oh, hard money," but.
Oh no, we definitely we bridge them into permanent financing. So
Almost all of them are happy. The brokers are happy. The borrowers are happy. We're an alternative. We're giving them the capital they need to either make money. They're either making money with our money or saving money with our money. Are there anything out, Marcy?
No, but everyone have a great day.
Have a great day.
Thanks
Remember,
for checking in.
like the YouTube, like the channel, leave comments. We answer the comments. What else?
That's it.
Check us out at Gelt Financial, geltfinancial.com. Call us if you need us, 561-221-0900. And have a great day. And you know what? Again, don't ask what you can get, ask what you can give. I forget who said that, but it's the truth. When you give to other people, you get back. And that's what we want to do. We want to help our borrowers. We want to help our mortgage brokers. And check us out online, and we're here to do business. And call us. We love to do your deals. Take care. Have a wonderful day.